buy it. Number 2 is the R QIDI Technology 3D Printer. The R QIDI Technology X-PLUS 3D Printer is a game changer for creating Nerf guns that pack a punch. With its cutting-edge features, this printer takes your Nerf modding experience to a new level of excitement and creativity. Equipped with the latest dual-gear extruders, this printer ensures precise printing, excellent heat dissipation, and minimal clogging. Say goodbye to those frustrating filament jams and hello to flawless prints every time. This printer can handle it all, whether you're working with PLA, ABS, TPU, or even high-temperature materials like nylon and PC. Are you printing large Nerf gun models? No problem! The double Z-axis driver guarantees stable and precise printing quality, even for those grand-scale projects. Forget about interruptions ruining your print job. The filament detection function alerts you when the filament runs out, ensuring seamless printing of those epic blasters. To top it all off, the Slicer software version 6.5.3 is an absolute game changer. With a redesigned and user-friendly interface, slicing your models is a breeze. The improved slicing algorithm boosts print quality by 30% and speed by 20%, leaving you with jaw-dropping results. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.